Hello, and welcome to Espresso Tutorials. This tutorial is on integrating production planning with controlling in SAP's S/4HANA system. My name is Anne Hustis, and I am a production planning consultant. My colleague is Marjorie Wright from Simply FICO. This tutorial has 6 units. In the first unit, we will talk about why we would integrate production planning with controlling. I will speak about it from a production planning point of view, and then Marjorie will speak about it from a controlling point of view. In Unit 2, we will discuss the required master data for integration. So in each one of these master data objects, we will talk at the field level view. So at the field level view on what the integration points are between production planning and controlling. We will do this for both discrete production and process industry production. So we'll talk about the material master, the bill of material, the work center or resource, the routing or master recipe, and then finally the production version. In Unit 3, we will take a production order from the created status through to release, through confirmations. We'll do the same thing with a process order.
Thanks, Anne. Hello, everybody. This is Marjorie Wright, and mine is the voice you'll be listening to for the controlling topics of our tutorial. When we talk about standard cost estimates in Unit 4, we have to begin with the design of a costing variant for a standard cost calculation. Then we'll move on to how cost estimates are managed individually and within a costing run, if we have multiple materials, for example. Each of these methods involves creating the cost estimate by integrating the production planning master data and updating the material master with the result. In Unit 5, we'll look into the order cost calculations to see how they differ among target, actual, and plan. And we'll see how SAP uses each of these. And by the way, I'm not referring to material ledger actual cost here. Rather, I'm referring to the costs that will be accumulated at the order level as we make these products. In our order closing Unit 6, I'll pick up where Anne's steps ended in Unit 3 and cover the controlling period end. Also in that unit, I'll explain how continuous accounting in S/4HANA can provide some of these calculations you see in the tutorial content in real time. Before we begin Unit 1, here are some helpful notes about our tutorial.